What's up, guys? Snake here. Just making a quick video on my garage sale haul today, so you guys can see all the wonderful treasures you can find out there. And most of this stuff will go on my eBay site. So let's go over a few things. This right here is, if you can see, that's a very small Samsung television set. And the reason I bought that is actually for testing. So I have a bigger TV. It's about 30 inches, which is a little too big just to have sitting around for testing electronics and things of that effect that I pick up. So I wanted something a lot smaller, and that's it right there. Only paid 10 bucks for that, and it came with the remote, which you could see there. Then I found this Onkyo receiver in perfect working order. That's the TX-SR607, also with the remote. Only paid $10 for that as well. Okay, this Clue game is, we just bought it because we like the little guys inside. It comes with those guys for Clue. We do play a lot of, not only do we video game a lot, but play a lot of board games as well. And I've never seen a Clue with actual little people in it. They're mostly like these little colored tokens. So, and this was only $1. So we basically paid $1 just for our little tokens there. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. This right here is a Cuisinart ice cream maker. The base never sells, but the lid, the bowl, which has a freezing gel inside of it, and the paddle inside sells. So we paid $3 for that, and we'll make probably 20 to 25 bucks just off the paddle alone on that. So that's really awesome. We have some regular PlayStation video games here. They're sports games, but those are $1 a piece. Those are ones that I didn't have. That's for the collection. Got a new holster for my pistol, which that's mine. And I paid $1 for that. That's a little case for, I'm assuming, a DS. Don't quite know. But anyway, for $1, I think it's a, I don't know which DS, but I'm pretty sure that's for a DS. Let's see. One second. This is a Tommy Bahama shirt. This we bought for the wife. These go for probably $100 to $130 brand new. Now on eBay they don't sell for very much. They're probably 20 bucks, 25 bucks, something like that. But you know, for $1, and I mean no holes, nothing. I mean just great shape. Excellent. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this one's a good find today. Look at this, guys. That is a Sonic the Hedgehog 90s pinball machine by Tomy. Look at that. Electronic, and it all works. And it has a $5 sticker on there, but I negotiated them down to $3. So this goes for about 40-50 bucks on eBay. So that's going to make us a ton of money. Profit, I should say. Not a ton of money, but a ton of profit. Let's see, we've got a bunch of Wii games here. That's not very much, worth very much, but we don't have that for our collection. We don't have this for our collection.
Super Mario.
And then Mario Kart. There we go. This we already have, but as you guys know, we paid $1 for this, and they go for about 25. Well, I would say between 20 and 29. So in great shape. Let's see what else we got. Harry Potter usually the whole set of Harry Potters goes for about 30 bucks. So anytime we see a Harry Potter book, we pick those up. Dance Dance Revolution for the original Xbox. We didn't have that. Let's see. We got Mortal Kombat vs. DC Universe for Xbox. $1. Devil May Cry 4. Xbox 360. $1. And my wife picked up The Last Starfighter on Blu-ray. Good movie, but it's old. It's very old. What else do we have here? Oh, let's see. Some GameCube games. 2 games that we did not have. $2 each on these, but that's okay. Because You know, these are hard to find out here. All right, let's see what else we have in here. We have, these are McDonald's glasses, and that's one, but that's not the one I want to show you guys. And these sell like hotcakes on eBay. So if you guys ever see these out there, you should pick them up. If I can get one out of this paper here, I hope I don't break it. I just want to give you guys an example. There we go. Check that out. And we have probably like 8 of them in here. We paid 50 cents each for them. And you sell like a set of 5, you know, depending on how they go. But I would say a set of 5 is probably, I don't know, 29 to maybe $35. And that's a small set. We're talking about like 4 or 5 of them. Here, bring that into mama. Don't break it. Don't drop it. All right, and there's the rest of them. So we got quite a few of those. What else we have here? There's a couple things for the house, for the bathroom. That was $3. Let's see. We got, this is one of my babies that we found today. Smeagol, brand new in the box. They wanted 25 for him. This is also for my collection, and ended up only paying 10 bucks. Thing is awesome. Here, take that aside. Little Descendants shirt for my daughter. She loves Descendants. Got that. Okay, here's another awesome find. This is every single season box set of The Simpsons 1 through 10. We paid $1 per season. $10 for all 10 seasons. Absolutely awesome. And some of them have never been opened. This one has never been opened. Excellent. And we bought the garbage can for $1. My daughter. Here you go. That's heavy.
It's not heavy. Okay.
Let's see what else we bought here. These are for my daughter. We paid $3 for this whole kit here. And these are I think they call them Hatchimals. And my daughter loves those, so take those out. What else? The little Mario wall sticker set. You can, there are 35 of them. You take them off, put them on, take them off, put them on again. 50 cents. Absolutely awesome, brand new. Okay, I don't know if you guys know about Miss Me jeans, but here's a pair of Miss Me jeans for my daughter. These sell, or these at the store are about $130. Okay, paid $4 for them. Excellent condition. Take that. Here, take this too.
Is this for me?
Take them inside. All right, now here was my find of the day. Okay, now this is not going to be sold online. This is for us, and this guy's been eluding me for a while at garage sales. Okay, look, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, that is a Super Nintendo in mint condition. Original controllers, original AC adapter, everything. Okay, now this one I paid a lot more than what I wanted to, but you know what you find on eBay are, you know, most of these consoles are yellowed, either not working, or they just want way too much for them. So we ended up paying, I believe, 40 bucks with the 2 original controllers and everything. So that's going to the collection. I did not have that system. I should have had it for a while, but I didn't, and I was very patient, and I finally found one that I was quite satisfied with. So let's see, what else do we find? Okay, here's the last couple things here. These are Under Armour, but these are for the Wounded Warrior Project. These go for about 20-25 bucks on eBay. Paid $1 each for them. And then also an Under Armour hat, which she threw in for free. and I'm not quite sure how much we'll get for that, but once we clean it up, it's got some sweat marks and stuff on it. We'll be able to clean that up, no problem. Throw it in the wash or whatever. You know, maybe, I'm not even sure, to be honest. Maybe between 20 and 30 bucks maybe. So anyway, there you go, guys. That's today's haul, and we'll definitely keep you updated on our hauls here. That'll be like another separate series that I do on YouTube. So anyway, much love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely share. Until next time.